simple leadway, a WhatsApp marketing desktop application for your marketing needs. So this is a desktop application. I am going to explain how to install the application on your desktop or laptop, how to avail 2 days trial, and I will also give you the glimpse about the application, the kind of feature it has. Okay. So this is our website, getleadway.in. You will find all the relevant information here. We'll find the pricing page here. We'll find the features list here. So we have multi-device support. There is a message template. We also have interactive buttons. You can send call to action, link buttons, normal buttons. There is a intelligent chatbot also which uses mode wherein you can create sequential chat flow for your customer's requirement. There is contact management with number filter. There is call automation. There are a lot of things which I'm going to explain you now. Okay. So when you come to this website, just click on free trial. It will download the exe file here. Let it get download and I will show you how to install this application. The file has been downloaded. Just simply click on this. It will start the installation. I'll simply click on more info and click on run anyway. This will run the installer. Okay. So I'll click on anyone who uses this computer. Next. Yes. I'll install and see program files. You can change the directory also if you want. The installation is completed. We just have to click on run leadway WhatsApp desktop and click on finish. Now this will open the application. Okay. This is the interface. When you register for the first time, it will give you a 2 day trial and just refresh it so it will give you the exact expiry date. Since I'm a paid member, I'm getting 365 days trial here. Now these are the main menus. We have dashboard wherein you will find all the relevant information about the application, the recent activities. Then if there is device where you can scan the create an instance, scan the QR code. I simply click on add device. I'll put the name. I'll just click on create QR code. So the QR code is ready. I'll simply click on show QR code. It will display the QR code and I'm going to scan the QR code from my mobile. Okay, the WhatsApp session is connected. Now I will explain you all the features and its relevance. Now there is a single message module wherein you can select the instance, write the number you want to send the message. Either you can use text messages, write your content, upload image if you want and send the message. Either you can click on template message, select template you have created and just click on send message. Now this is the single send message. In the templates, we have variety of options. There is text messages, there is text messages plus image, message plus document, message plus contact, message plus fold, buttons, list, carousel, location, video, audio, CTA button, copy code, flow message, mixed interactive buttons. Okay. Now, as far as the kind of WhatsApp library is using, message plus carousel and flow message, these two templates are not working currently, but buttons, list, interactive buttons and copy code, these are working absolutely fine. But there is a disclaimer. Now, we do not have a total control on WhatsApp library is what we are using. So today the buttons and list and interactive buttons are working, but there are possibilities wherein these functionalities will stop working in the future. So we are not taking any responsibility now that it is working, but there are chances these functions will stop working in the future. So if you are buying the application, please consider this factual and then plan accordingly. Okay, so you select any kind of template, fill up the information and click on create template. Similarly, when you click on mixed message interactive buttons, you will be able to add 5 different templates in one message. So you can add 2 quick replies, one CTA URL, one CTA phone, and a copy code. Okay, so this is as far as the templates are concerned. In the contacts, you will be able to create on-page group to send bulk messages. You just have to click on the new contact, give a name here, just click on save contact. When you click on this card, you'll be able to add manual number, will be able to copy paste the numbers here, and you will be able to upload Excel sheet. You can download the samples, see the format, prepare the Excel sheet and upload it here. I'll just show you how this works. I'll write my name. Okay. I'll specify the number. Just click on add contacts. So by default, when you add the contact, it says invalid. There is a verify WhatsApp button on the top. Just have a click on this and then it will verify the. So you'll be able to use this contact group in the bulk messages. Bulk message is very simple. You just have to create a campaign, give any name, select single or multiple instances, select contact group. We'll be able to select X messages or template. Suppose if I take on this contact group, you'll be able to see one verified contacts will receive this message. Only WhatsApp verified contracts will be included. Okay. We just have to send it immediately or you can serial format. Auto reply, wherein you'll be able to create an autoresponder by selecting WhatsApp sessions. Okay. We just have to select the sessions, give a name. Either you can select the template. There is no template yet, but you can select the template or write message manually. Chatbot has some interesting features. When you create the chatbot, fill up this basic information, type the trigger word, keyword, and there is something called flow nodes. You will be able to create entire flow as far as your customer interaction is concerned. Okay. So the node types, what we have is message, question, action, and conditions. So if customer sends you a message called support, because that is what you have put it in the trigger keyword. So immediately one message will go saying, thank you for choosing Leadway. Please let us know how may I help you. Okay. Once this is done, automatic even customer sends a reply over it. Based on this nodes, one another message can go to that customer which has a node type as question, which will ask what is your name. After that, customer may reply his name. The third message can go by using this node. Thank you, Rahul. Thank you for messaging. Lead wins. Okay. So based on this entire flow, you will be able to create the node and chatbot. Call responder is very simple. You will be able to create a call responders and set a predefined set of messages after every call event. If someone calls your WhatsApp number or someone give you a missed call or you are calling someone on the WhatsApp, or if someone is calling you, you rejected the call, or if you are calling someone and they rejected the call, based on this incident, then create a message content and this will be activated. Okay. We have a live chat here. The live chat is by default disabled. Okay. You have to enable is the setting as just what I explained you in the big. Okay. Now there is a function called group camber wherein you can select the instance. It will show you all the groups what you have. Project groups, number of participants. If you are admin of the group, I just created a group to test. So this is the lead as group what we have. You can either export the somebody or either export detailed participant list in the Excel sheet. Okay. In the reports, you have program campaigns, program contact groups, program messages signed, program device is connected, program template created. Okay. Then we have settings wherein you will be able to tweak some settings about the application. So we have a like mode here as far as the theme is concerned. You can select dark mode here. You can select enable or disable notifications here. You can set the backup on the stores here. and you'll be able to delete the periodic data based on your requirement, because the database is storing locally on your computer. So as far as the transactions are concerned, the frequency of your transactions with the increase the database size, so you'll be able to delete the database from here. Okay. Then in general, you can use the language modules also. Okay. You can select any language and you can translate that anywhere. Okay. So we have RTN support also. If you select Arabic languages, the layout of the application will change. Okay. Now this is the themes about the application. Please go to the website, go to all the information. Just click on free trial here and download the application. Register for Kude's trial and paste the application. If you are interested, then please get back to us on our WhatsApp. Thank you.